They tell you that darkness is your ally, that you must be forged in the fires of struggle, built on the grind, and do it all alone. Everywhere you look, the message is clear. No one's coming to save you. But what if this relentless, solitary pursuit is actually keeping you from the victory God has in store? What if true strength isn't about your unyielding determination, but about surrendering to the one who's already won the ultimate battle? Welcome, truth seekers. I'm inviting you to rethink what you've been told about strength. Yes, discipline and hard work matter. Scriptures remind us to be diligent and to run the race set before us. Yet the world's message stops short. It forgets the ultimate source of enduring power. Today we explore a controversial truth. Your greatest triumphs aren't achieved by sheer isolation, but by partnering with the divine. Consider the popular Be Invictus narrative. It tells us to be born in the dark. But for those of us who lean on faith, even our darkest moments are illuminated by a light that never fades. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? They champion the lone warrior, the one-male army. Yet Scripture clearly celebrates unity. There are moments when solitude is necessary, but remember, our strength grows exponentially when we support and uplift each other through faith. And what about that infamous build your belief when you had nothing idea? Our belief isn't built solely on self-made bootstraps. It's anchored in the unwavering promises of God, a foundation far more robust than mere willpower ever could be. Even when life forces us to outgrow old friends, our faith community offers us a new family, a tribe bound by purpose and grace. Hard work, when viewed through a spiritual lens, becomes an act of worship. It's about being a good steward of the gifts God has entrusted to you. Every effort, every late night becomes a tribute to gratitude and dedication. Fear and doubt? They're not enemies to be battled with brute force, but challenges to be cast aside by trusting in His strength when our own falters. For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and self-discipline. Forget chasing fleeting, worldly approval. In the end, only God's validation truly matters. Success should be redefined not by personal accolades, but by how well our lives align with His divine purpose. We live in a world that glorifies constant hustle, the so-called no-breaks mentality. But even Jesus knew the importance of rest, retreating to pray and connect with His Father. True strength is found in balancing intense effort with intentional rest, syncing your rhythm with God's own heartbeat. They often ask, why do you push so hard? For us, the answer transcends personal ambition. Our drive is fueled by a calling far greater than our own desires. We're not running for a momentary trophy, but for an eternal reward. Imagine harnessing a strength that isn't just your own, but God's working through you, a power that transforms every challenge into a stepping stone. So, are you exhausted from shouldering the world alone? Are you ready to unlock a strength that surpasses human limits? It's time to let go of the myth that you must do it all by yourself. Embrace the power of partnering with the Almighty. This week, I challenge you. Identify one area where you've been struggling in isolation and surrender it to God in prayer. Feel His strength, trust His timing, and watch how your life transforms. Join our community of believers of spirituality who know that true strength lies not in isolation, but in unity with God. If this message resonates with you, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more insights into unlocking your God mode. Remember, you are never truly alone. God is with you every step of the way. Let's ignite a conversation. What area of your life are you ready to surrender to God? Comment below and share your journey. Stay blessed and keep the faith.